Yo, what's up? How's it going, guys? My name is Joseph. Welcome back to the channel. It has been a very long time since we did upload and film, but you know, I got some free time on my hands this weekend, so I decided to pick up the excuse me, pick up the camera and start filming again. So the recent update with the Civic is that I have officially lowered it, like maxed out, with some preload on the coilovers. You can see here that although it looks like I could go down some more rings, but then like look how close my freaking fly. Look how close my threads are to my axle boot. So I'm not trying to go any lower. I mean, I could, but I'm already laying frame on the ground. Like look at all that carnage. Oh yeah, it's my subframe, so owned. Anyways, what I'm doing right now, because I lowered my car, the tie rods, OEM tie rods, are too long, meaning I cannot screw in the threads any further for the ball joint, the tie rod end, meaning that my tires are now plowing in like this. So if this is the left front tire and this is the right front tire, they're both like this, and it's messing up my alignment and leaving my tires all bald like that. So I'm gonna fix it right now the getaway by cutting. I cut my ball joint already, so I cut 1/4 inch off of the ball joint, and I'm gonna cut 1/4 inch off of this tie rod, inner tie rod. That way it'll start earlier and I have more threads to use. So yeah, let's do it. Oh, it's on. Yeah, this is such a ghetto fix. Like I don't recommend this. My steering wheel straight. Go check it out. My arm feels like it's burned right now. Yeah, steering wheel is pretty straight, so. It's good to know we got a couple more turns out of her. So yeah, I'd say I'm gonna tighten all this stuff up, slap the wheels back on, and we'll just take it to alignment. Let's do it. Quick and easy fix. Let's hope that the nut stays tight. Tighten that baby up. Slide that cotter pin in there. A little persuasion. There we go. The RSX problems, Civic problems. All right, now let's go do the other side. Just to zip that up in there. Oops. All right. Now all we have left to do is get the wheels on the car and put her down on the ground. Shit. All right, let's put her on the ground and put some power steering fluid back in her and put the back in the air and nose on the ground, because We are installing my exhaust, finally. Woo! So basically this exhaust, I've never gotten exhaust for the car. It was just a muffler delete. Usually the exhaust is one of the first things that people do to mod their cars. I've owned this car for 4 years and I'm only doing it now, so finally picked it up today. It's a Megan Racing OE style exhaust. So catback, so I don't have to mess with the cat or anything like that. So let's put the car on the ground and put the rear in the air. Car's back on the ground. I honestly feel like this exhaust is gonna scrape so hard because the car's already so low. And the exhaust hangs kind of low too, so let's see where it goes. So before I go out changing the exhaust, I'm gonna go and show you guys what the cold start sounds like on my muffler delete. This is completely stock piping muffler delete, so. Alright, now let's put the aftermarket exhaust on. Just securing these pipes together with some ugga-duggas. And then we're going to throw this part of the pipe on the car first and then the muffler. Nice. Exact replica. Or not exact, but like, you know. Yeah, let's throw the new one in. Alright, so we got the catback except for muffler installed. I want to get a sound clip of how it sounds with just that pipe. Alright, the exhaust is in. Let's see how it sounds. It's probably gonna sound rice as hell. Oh my god, that exhaust is gonna hit on everything. You're kidding. Well, goodbye to that exhaust money, because that shit is gonna hit everything. There's no way. There is no way. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's no way. Oh my god. Get ready to hear it. I'm gonna hear all the carnage. Here it goes. Oh my god. It's scraping on everything. This is new to me. I'm kind of freaked out right now how low it is because the stupid muffler is so big. Here we go. Oh. Please. Oh my god, it's so loud. This is not happening right now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. No way.